No effort needed and absolutely zero glue needed for this unit. So today's video is sponsored by Junoda Hair Company. This is the first time that I'm collaborating with this hair company, guys, and I'm super impressed. You guys know it's summertime coming up, vacation time, hot season, and we're really sick and tired of all the glues and sprays and stuff like that. So today's hair video is obviously a very easy video, guys. It showed you guys how I customize this unit. I'm often getting questions about how I bleach my knots, so I did show you guys in the beginning of this video how I bleach my knots so you guys can get a full review or a look of how to do it. It was highly requested, so I wanted to show it to you guys. Now this is a 5x5 clean HD lace, guys, and this is an air lace wig. So with this wig, it is very, very simple, guys, straight to the point. Although I did go ahead and co-wash this hair and bleach the knots, I didn't really do anything but put it on my head today and show it to you guys. I did go ahead and do a side part instead of doing a middle part with this unit just because I wanted to do more volume on this side. This texture is kind of what I like to call a natural curly texture. So with this type of texture, it just looks more realistic. It looks really nice and soft. It's not on the deep wave spectrum and it's not on the water wave spectrum. So it falls right in the middle for like a natural curly texture, and I absolutely love this one. So I thought it would look better with the side part. This unit, guys, is a nice density as well, not too full, and the length is a perfect length. Not all the times you want hair that's super long, especially when it's hot outside. Now with this unit, I did not receive any shedding or tangling. I really didn't touch the hair that much, guys, but the time that I washed it, so I really can't, you know, give you guys that definitive. But what I want to mention to you guys, once I actually co-wash curly hair, I don't run my hand through it. You will not catch me brushing my hands through this hair or brushing it in general. Once it styles like this, I pretty much leave it like this and keep it pushing on for the days and days and days until I'm ready to wash it and just re-put product in it. I did use my Cantu leave-in conditioner as the you know, the conditioner for the hair after I washed it, just to give it a nice defined style. You guys can see how pretty the curls are. So I wanted to come up close and show you guys the lace. The lace is super bomb, and I did not use any adhesives for this lace whatsoever, guys. So I can run my comb through this unit and just keep it pushing. It's a quick up and down with this unit, guys, so it's very, very simple. Obviously, I did like little baby hairs to cover like the little side right here and baby hair right here, but I didn't really like do any major work to the hair because I wanted it to be simple and natural. I absolutely love this, guys. Like I said, it's very minimal effort, so it's amateur friendly, and you're really not doing that much with it. I showed you guys in the beginning, obviously, how I bleach the knots. You don't have to bleach the knots on this unit because it already came pretty much ready. I showed you guys the lace prior to bleaching. I showed you guys the lace after. It is a very nice, simple unit, guys. If you're someone that really does not have time to glue your units down, I'm telling you guys, when it gets hot, especially if you're going to Caribbean islands or very hot tropical areas, the glue does not last. I'm telling you guys, I've realized that from the last 2 trips that I was on. The glue just does not last. So closure units or these pre-cut lace units are the perfect styles. This one, like I said, is the HD lace. It comes with an adjustable strap in the back. So I didn't even have to do that much. I just put it on and I just adjusted the strap in the back, and that was that. So it gives you a nice flawless finish, guys. Like I said, no effort needed and absolutely zero glue needed for this unit. So let me know what you guys think about this unit. I think this unit is a win-win. It's a really nice, pretty, natural curly texture. The density and the length is perfect on this one, guys, and you guys can see that the hair is super defined, super nice and pretty, and there is absolutely no glue used on this unit whatsoever. No spray, no nothing. Has an adjustable strap. I feel like it's kind of big head friendly. I'm a medium to average cap size head, so you'll be good to go with this unit, guys. Highly recommend. I will leave all the information down below, guys. Get your summer unit, your vacation unit right now. Shout out to this company. It's my first time working with this company. I'm super impressed, guys. So like I said, I'll leave a coupon code down below and all the information, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.